Hey guys, in today's video, I'm installing a new set of tires onto the Spooky Jeep. If you're new here, welcome to the channel, and don't forget to subscribe.
What do you think? Should I just do my whole intro like this?
So I had a tire start to come apart on me on the Spooky Jeep, and I figured it is time to upgrade. So I'm going up from 31s to 33s. Now a 33-inch tire might not seem like it's very big, but it is definitely the perfect size for the Spooky Jeep. These tires are Falken Rubitrek ATs. I ordered them from shorturl.at. You can check them out in the link in the description below. Now when I ordered these, I got them for about 40% off. They were running a 4th of July sale, but they are always running some kind of special on tires. If you need to order tires, it is a great option. They also give you the option to ship it to your nearest tire store to have them installed. So these are my old 31s. These are my new 33s. As you can see, there is a significant size difference. What tire size do you guys prefer? Tell me in the comments below. Now the exact size of these tires is 33, 12.5, 15. I really like how these all-terrain tires have an aggressive enough tread to get the job done, yet not have that loud droning you get with a mud terrain tire. I also really like the Falken brand, and I love the Wildepeaks I had on my truck. Now I don't have any expensive fancy equipment for doing tires, so I make use with what I got, and the best way so far that I find to break the bead for the tire is with a high lift jack. What you do is you set your high lift jack on your tire, get it as close to your rim as possible, and then you take a strap, wrap it through the rim, and start cycling your jack to pop your bead. Now not only does this work in my driveway, but this is also a great way to break your bead if you need to do so on the trail. Voila! Now another reason why I wanted to keep my original rims is they are only a 7-inch wide rim. With a 12.5-inch tire, it's kind of like a poor man's bead lock. When I air down really low, it's a lot less likely to break a bead. Now, I had originally thought about recording this as a how-to video, but honestly, unless you have experience mounting tires, it's probably not the best thing to be trying to do these tires by yourself. Overall, I'm really happy with these tires so far. Definitely a major upgrade from what I had before, and I can't wait to take them off-road. Now it might be a little bit before I'm able to. Gas prices are quite high here in California right now, but as soon as I can take them off-road, I'll let you guys know how they perform. If you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. As always, don't forget to subscribe. You can check me out on TikTok at It's Project Venture, as well as Instagram at It's Project Venture. Thanks for watching.